Hello, my name is Kevin Nicholson. I'm the Director of Therapy Services for Vibra Hospital in Amarillo, Texas. And today I would like to visit with you about the topic of neurology, or more specifically, neurological diseases. When we speak of neurological diseases, we're talking about those that primarily affect the brain, the spinal cord, or both of those. By some estimations, there are approximately 100 million Americans who will, at some point in their lives, suffer from a neurological disorder. Now, sometimes these may resolve, but many times they do not. When the brain is functioning normally, it does so automatically, but various brain diseases, spinal cord diseases, have the potential to have devastating impact on the body in general. Some of these diseases include, of course, the things you've heard of more commonly, such as stroke or Alzheimer's disease. But there are many other diseases, other categories of diseases that affect the neurologic system that are not as well known. Some of these may include, of course, developmental diseases such as cerebral palsy. That would be a trauma to the brain that occurs associated with birth or the time surrounding a child's birth. There are degenerative diseases such as Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease that do occur in adulthood. There are even metabolic diseases that can affect the brain and spinal cord severely. Diseases such as Gaucher's disease would be one of these. Also, infectious diseases, bacterial infections, viral infections. AIDS is known to possibly affect the brain and spinal cord later in the disease process. Something called AIDS dementia can occur. Also, brain tumors can occur that affect any area of the brain or spinal cord. There are also genetic diseases, or what's called neurogenetic diseases, including Huntington's disease. Muscular dystrophy would be a genetic disease example. So there are more than just stroke or the common diseases that you think of that can affect the brain and spinal cord. I hope you have found this information educational, and thank you very much for listening.